So I've got to pull back and then open the matrices up. In, I this power so he doesn't push me back too far. Now, in order for me to do the transformations, keep going, give it to me, yeah. I've got to create a gap between this tension here of me supporting him and his source of power. So I've got to pull back and then open the matrices up. In, and that little bit of a gap pull back. In this case, I'm pulling back way too much because he's quite grounded. Normally, yeah, there it is. And so I'm taking that pressure that's coming in, I'm opening the matrices up inside of what I feel, then I'm just relaxing it, in this case, just to the vital and astral, mental, Akasha. Now, practice it with a proper force like that, and then feel your partner's body, and let's say this place here, there's less force there than what he just gave me. Then touch that tension and do exactly the same thing that you did with the tangible. Let's get into these little ripples. And then you can go through your partner's body. He's got a bit of stuff on the front here. And release it. When you, a bit more here. A bit more on the front. I have to spend about 10 minutes to really unlock the whole circle around his arm. But you get a sense of taking a heavy load, open the matrices and release it, and then a light load, tension in his body, which is a fraction of a person pushing on you really hard. So the benefit of the Qigong Fa Jian type of exercises, your neutralizing power gets really strong, your ability to transform gets really strong, and then when you touch a little problem like a point of tension, you dissolve it and it just disappears because you're really strong at dissolving. So you want to go to the gym, put your body weight on a deadlift bar and neutralize the weight of the bar. So you can't throw it around, but it's floating on your fascia. You've transformed it from the muscle into the fascia. And then when you touch a person and transform, your transformation power is greater. So how you create stresses to neutralize will amplify your ability to neutralize energies within your training partner.